What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have some gloves that we sell at 1aauto.com. We have these nitrile gloves that are in this green color. We have these latex gloves that come in blue. And we also have these other nitrile gloves that come in orange. These are actually textured, so you get a little more grip, just like these black ones. These are great for when you're working on cars. You really don't want to get any of the oils in your skin. It's actually really bad for you. And even when you're doing interior work, a lot of the interior stuff is very dirty. The nice thing about colored gloves, when you're doing interior work, when they get dirty, you can know, oh, my hands are dirty, so I'm not gonna touch the seat or any of the other fabric. So then you can change out your gloves. But with the darker gloves, you can't really do that. If you get grease on them, you can't see it. So that's nice about the colored gloves. So if you're doing a job that gets pretty dirty, get some of these gloves at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.